self-destruct system is now activated. The ship will detonate in T-minus 30 seconds.
Hey, before we let you go, Luke, it is Valentine's Day this weekend. Any final love advice for our listeners?
Yes. Get a partner. Or it is a sad time. I'm single. Yeah, I'm on my sad time for, but yeah, if you're out there and you want to date me, get in touch with the Tommy Carey Show and, ideally, Joe.
Where are you going to go? You're a dickhead! Do you want to die, do you?
Hey, give preference.
No, you have to give way!
It's a bit... Oh, you idiot! You've got to be kidding. Did she even...
That's my livelihood.
That... And she can't move. She's stuck.
Come on.
I've got a phone.
You were on the phone before.
I've got my word against yours. Go on.
Yep. Are you going to move or what?
No.
Go on.
No, where are you going?
I'm just staying here. You know, you want to try and make out?
Me on? You know who I am?
Who are you then?
Yeah, I am my politician. My uncle's a very famous politician.
Really? Good, good.
Right.
So that means you can play with your phone.
But I'll stop.
You can't touch it on the phone. You're in the middle of the road here.
No, take it. Take it further.
Come on. Yep.
Hello.
Come on.
Next time. I'm glad I don't have muscles, but I do have to.
Yeah, good. Yeah. So you're gonna make threats as well. You're gonna make threats as well. What's this got to do with anything?
You break the law.
I'm not the one breaking the law at the moment. Yeah.
How dare you!
Hit the right. It's you on camera. You're a fuckwit. You're a fuckwit.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker. You're a yarn or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius, James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing, well, you're a elbow bub. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker. Wankers once used mobile phones, but now that's sort of changing. And yobs once lived in cottage homes, ain't social change What's wrong with you?